Hello and welcome to OmicsLogic. In this video, we will guide you on how to create an account on the OmicsLogic Learn platform, set up your profile, and navigate the various resources available on the platform. So the first step is to head over to omicslogic.com website and click on the login option. This will redirect you to the sign up page. Here, click on the create an account option and enter your name, email ID, and provide a password. Or you can also create an account using any of your existing social media handles. This could be Google, Facebook, Apple account, GitHub account, or even Twitter. If you already have an existing account on the platform, click on the Login Now option, enter your existing email ID and password, and click on Sign In. Since I'm already logged in using my Google account, I'll proceed with the next step. Once you sign in, the very first interface that you see is the courses page. Before that, we need to set up your profile. To do that, head over to the blue bar here that displays your name and click on it. This will redirect you to your profile settings. Here, you can click on the profile button to complete setting up your profile. Make sure that your name is in proper capitalization and that there is no spelling error, because whenever you complete a coursework, the certificate generated will display the name that you have provided on your profile. Add a brief bio about yourself and your research interests, add a profile image and a link to your social media handles. Once all of this is completed, your profile should be showing 100% completion. Now let's explore the various sections on your profile. Under the Activity tab, the mentor and the teaching assistants will be able to track your learning progress to make sure that you're going through the resources provided to you. And in case you're stuck somewhere, our team can reach out to you and assist you for further guidance. Under the Courses tab, it will display the courses that you're currently taking as well as the progress that you're making. And under the Certificates tab, whenever you complete a coursework, the certificate will be displayed on your profile. You can also download it in a PDF format by clicking on the download button in this way. Now let's explore the courses page. To do that, head over to the courses tab on the top, and this will redirect you to the courses page. Here, scroll down below and you will see a search bar that says looking for a specific course. So whenever the mentor is recommending you to go through a specific coursework, you can enter the keyword here, for example, Transcriptomics, and it will display the various courses and example projects that are covering this topic. Alternatively, you can also explore the various courses and example projects using the course category option available on the top. You can simply click on the Explore button and it will display the courses and the example projects. If you encounter any issues while creating an account on the platform or have queries about navigating the platform, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@omicslogic.com.